Welcome back to Ask the Attorney on Buzz TV. I'm your host, Mike White, and on Ask the Attorney, we are spending time with our legal professionals, asking them questions and sharing the information with you. Join us today on the program. We have Aaron Irving with Integrity Law. Aaron, welcome to the program.
Mike, as always, it's a pleasure. Thank you for having me. It's interesting doing this dynamic by virtual or Zoom, so I'm enjoying it. Nonetheless, I appreciate you having me on.
Well, thank you. A lot of times when people are looking to engage an attorney, there's typical questions that Captain Google recommends you ask them. So I want to ask you questions today to see how you respond to them. So, Are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, so the first question that Captain Google tells you to ask the attorney you're looking to engage is, how long have you practiced family law?
I have. So this two-parter, Mike, I've been practicing, I'm on my decade year. As far as family law, I believe I'm on 8 years family law practice. Not solely family law practice, but 8 years to answer your question.
And you also work with estates and you work a lot of other legal areas. But with family law, how many cases have you handled when it comes to family law divorce?
Oh, goodness. I don't even know the answer to that. I would actually have to get out our mass database.
More than 5?
What, beg your pardon?
More than 5.
Oh, more than 5. In fact, I think I have about 60 ongoing ones presently.
Excellent. Generally, how long does it take for you to respond to phone calls or emails?
There's another attorney in town that I remember from years ago and speaking to him that he said he always had a rule at his office, and I've tried to follow the same. I will do my best to return a phone call or an email the very same day. And if that's not possible, it will be within 24 hours.
Will anyone else be working on my case?
Absolutely. You know, prior to COVID, we had the option of doing a phone consultation or an in-person consultation. I prefer an in-person merely so you can meet me, we can develop a rapport, and you're also going to meet my paralegal, whom will be working with the client quite frequently on a particular file. But otherwise, barring some sort of minor hearing or barring an emergency, no other attorney will cover your file at my office.
And the most important thing that's probably on people's mind is, how do you charge your clients?
Absolutely. I always save that for the very end of our client consultation. Client consultation is a two-way interview. So the client is interviewing me to see if they want to hire me, while at the same time I'm interviewing them because it is a two-way street. And I always save the bad news for the very end, like I tell them. Each case is different. We have our standard retainers for certain things. Our hourly rates are likewise different depending on what you are hiring the office for. But we walk through the client, walk through our retainers with them, explain how we bill against certain things, and answer any questions they have at that time.
Well, Aaron, thank you as always for joining us on the program today. To find out more about Aaron Irving and Integrity Law, visit us at jacksonvillebuzz.com. We look forward to seeing you next time on Buzz TV.